A virtual conference is exactly what it sounds like, a conference which is held in a virtual space. At Linking with Systems, we conduct virtual conferences which are as engaging as face-to-face conferences. So this is a landing page of a product. You can register yourself at a portal or you can also join it as a guest. In the speakers tab, you can find the list of all the speakers who will be attending the event, and you can go through all the details and their bio whenever you want. In the schedules tab, as the name suggests, you can find the schedule of the event just prior to when it begins. Using the schedules tab, you can find that on which day, in which hall, which session is going to take place. Next up, we have an interactive lobby. In the lobby, you can give your sponsors, partners or vendors to showcase all their brands and their offerings. This lobby can be customized in any way you want, and our UI developers will implement that change right away. We also have hotspots lying all across the page so that you can navigate between halls, help desk, networking lounge or any other page in a very interactive manner. In the halls, we host live, semi-live or pre-recorded sessions in multiple halls which will give your speakers great flexibility. All your sessions can be available to view at your own convenience whenever you want. We also have an inbuilt chat system here so that you can ask questions to the speakers directly. Networking Lounge enables the attendees to make connections via text, where you can either engage in a general chat or you can also start a private chat with any other attendee. In the future versions, we will integrate audio and video calling facility as well, which will make the connections feel more interactive. Finally, you can track the event performance with attendee feedback surveys, which will give you great insights regarding customer experience. So, do you want to host an amazing event with vConference? If yes, then think no more and go ahead to get a free demo with us and host your live event in a smooth and immersive way. Thank you.